Best way to combine a permutation of conditional statements. So, I have a series of actions to perform, based on 4 conditional variables, let's say x, y, z and t. Each of these variables have a possible true or false value. So, that is a total of 16 possible permutations. And I need to perform a different action for each permutation. What is the best way to do this rather than making a huge if-else construct? Let's see a simplified example. This is how my code would look if I tried to contain all the different permutations into a large if-else construct. Is there any way to simplify this? Obviously, my objective for each case is more complicated than just printing case 1.
You can use a map of cases to results. If you want to do something else / different for each case, you could add a function to that map. You can also use one of the masking solutions to make the code shorter, or if you have too many cases to write out, but for smaller sets of cases, this explicit representation will be clearer and easier to maintain.
You could get your case number directly from binary manipulation of your booleans. If you look at John Kugelman's answer, you see that x, y, z, t are just the bits of your case number, where true equals 0 and false equals 1, so I construct an int setting those bits, and then add 1 because you start counting at 1. If the numbering is arbitrary, you can simplify that down to x, 3, y, 2, z, 1, t and take it from there. This is easily extensible to a larger number of Boolean variables. Then to do something based on the case number, I suggest you create a dictionary containing the case as key and the function or data or whatever as value. Something like
That's genius. Bits. Very clean. I was searching for a solution to this for a long time. Here's a JavaScript version. It, like, flattens the tree structure.
This is a flexible solution that offers scalability and a certain level of simplicity. Firstly, you'll need to create the methods that will run per output. These are the complicated versions of your print case X statements. Then, you can easily reference these specific action methods later by creating a method name list and then creating a method to reference the method list when called. We can perform some action by using I've tested this and it works effectively. You can add as many control variables as you need to the control variables list.